If you need to cancel pending transfer on Earnin, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is handled properly. This guide will walk you through the cancellation process. Step 1. Open the Earnin app. Launch the Earnin app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transfer details. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select the pending transfer. Find the specific pending transfer you wish to cancel. Tap on it to open the details and options related to that transfer. Step 4. Choose Cancel Transfer. In the transfer details, look for an option that says Cancel Transfer or something similar. Tap this option to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Review any information provided and confirm your choice to ensure the transfer is cancelled successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your pending transfer should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Earnin's customer support for further assistance.